Hi everybody, I'm Sally and welcome to Out of My Tree. Today I'm going to show you the things that I hauled from my recent Dollar Tree trip. So to start with, I found this awesome spiral toy. I bought one of these online from Think Geek, I believe, this Christmas for my son, and it was originally $8 to $10 and I got it on sale. So even if it was $4 or $5, I thought, why not get it for $1? When I used it in my classroom to entertain my students one day, they had a blast with it, but that's not why I got it. I had a great idea for a DIY in mind, so look forward to seeing that soon. Found at the register next to that spiral toy was this head massager. I've had these for years. My husband first originally got one for me for Christmas, and it is amazing. If you've never used one, they are very gentle, very relaxing. But as usual, when I think about things, I think, how could I use this in a DIY to turn it into something else? Any ideas? Any ideas? Well, I have one, so stay tuned for a DIY that I have in mind for this. Were these really cute little teeny tiny little tea lights. I was surprised that they are waterproof, which is excellent because obviously when you're working with real florals or fake ones too, sometimes people add in water for those to make them appear more realistic. These are great. Then you don't have to worry about covering them up, the battery going dead or anything like that. So I'm really excited to use these as well in a springtime floral DIY. Speaking of springtime florals, I ended up finding a bunch of mesh tubing. I am going to, for the first time, try one of those mesh wreaths out of one of the Dollar Tree frames. And so I got some coordinating burlap. I've got the light pink and then the light teal. And I'm going to try that on one of the mesh tubing wreaths and see what kind of really cute bow that I can create with this. Some of the other springtime colors that I got for that mesh wreath were yellows and some pearlescent white as well. And so when I saw this really, really cute bright yellow bird, I thought, absolutely, gotta have that as part of the wreath. I love birds. A lot of my decor in my home deals with lovebirds and other things, so just had to add that. One of my last really nice finds for DIYing is these stickers, and I was so excited to find the 3D stickers. In the past, I've used them. I create bookmarks with magnets for my students because they use bookmarks all the time. So I love having more of these that I can use to give them as little prizes, or as they're reading, they can use them. I have a little jar in the back of my classroom. They can just pick them out and use them. So I'm excited to make some more of those bookmarks. If you're interested, let me know below in the comments if you'd like to see how I make those bookmarks, and I'll be glad to show you. All right, moving on to my beauty items. I have been forever looking for the micellar water, and I am so glad that my Dollar Tree finally got this. I've been using the more expensive brands, which of course, you know, when you enjoy something and it works well, you want to keep at it. But my goodness, if this works for $1, I am going to be ecstatic, and I probably will be one of those annoying people that buys the entire box. Sorry. So another great find were these Kiss nails. Love these. As you can see, I don't have my usual nails on. I do a routine every Sunday night where I get my clothes out ready for the next day, and I put on my nails. So I usually take them off at the weekend to let my fingernails rest a little bit, but you better believe these ones from Kiss are amazing. You can paint them, of course, with your own polish. You can put the little bow plastic decals on as well. This time, I think with the clear ones, I have another DIY in mind, so that may be coming soon. Moving on from beauty, I was looking in the kitchen aisle and I found one of these little mason jar style shaker tops, and immediately thought of my husband. My husband is fantastic for buying a lot of things that we use in bulk, and we are huge coffee drinkers in this house, both caffeinated and decaf. And so he has recently purchased a giant tub full of creamer, and I thought, instead of having that around our coffee bar in the kitchen, too bulky. Let's try this out, and that way you can just sprinkle in some of the powdered creamers or flavors that you might need. Make it a lot easier to deal with and a lot more tame than trying to open a gigantic tub. It just doesn't look very nice. You DIY decor folks know what I'm talking about. And the last thing in the kitchen section was my coffee cup. I mean, hello people. I am a mega coffee drinker in the morning. I am normally a morning person, which is fine, but coffee just really helps me feel much more alive. I do not drink decaf past noon so that I actually get a good night's sleep. And as a teacher, you best believe I need that. So I love that I finally found the coffee mug that went along with one of the Dollar Tree mats that I had gotten for my coffee bar, and it says a hot fresh cup. No, let me try that again. A hot fresh coffee is the best way to start the day. I had also a while ago hauled the coffee, the mug that Dollar Tree had that said coffee makes all things possible. I believe that. With God and coffee, what more do you need in life, right? So that concludes my Dollar Tree haul, and look forward to some of those becoming DIYs very soon. Thanks so much for stopping by, and if you like this video, give me a great thumbs up, subscribe down below. I'd look forward to having you as part of my Out of My Tree family. So until next time, bye!